Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one. Recently we got a lot of the request on this video.
Yes.
A lot, and this is Enjoy and Jamming.
Yes, in each and every videos this comment is common that react on Enjoy and Jammy song.
Yes.
And I think it is in trending. That time also it was trending.
Yes.
Now
that time
also
it was
it is trending.
and it got 20 million views.
20 million view.
Oh, wow.
So we are like, okay, we have to do this, man.
Yes.
And that is why we are here. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, so let's enjoy it.
Let's enjoy it.
Yeah. Okay.
ये इंडियन सॉन्ग है क्या? इट इज लुकिंग लाइक हॉलीवुड.
Yes, exactly.
वाओ.
பொந்துல யாரு மீன் கொத்தி தண்ணியிலோடும் தவளைக்கு கம்பளி பூச்சி தங்கச்சி அள்ளி மலர் கொடி அங்கதமே ஒட்டார ஒட்டார சந்தனமே முல்ல மலர் கொடி முத்தாரமே எங்கூரு குத்தாளமே
துருக்கு பையமா வெத்தல மட்டையம்மா சுமந்த கையம்மா மத்தலம் கொட்டியம்மா தாயம்மா என்ன பண்ண மாயம்மா பள்ளியம்மா வேறாண்டி சங்கதிய கூறாண்டி கண்ணடிய காணாண்டி இந்த
அன்ன கிளி அடியால மர கிழவண்ண கிளி நல்லபடி வாழ சொல்லி இந்த மண்ணை கொடுத்தானே பூர்வ குடி கம்மங்கர காணி எல்லாம் பாடி திரிஞ்சானே ஆதிக்குடி நாய் நரி பூனைக்கும் தான் இந்த ஏரி குளம் கூட சொந்தமடி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ அம்பாரி இந்தா மும்மாரி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ அம்பாரி இந்தா மும்மாரி
வாவ்.
முட்டைய போடும் கோழிக்கு
And like the eggs.
ஒப்பனை யாரு மயிலுக்கு பச்சைய பூசும் பாசிக்கு குச்சிய அடுக்குன கூட்டுக்கு
ஆடுபட்ட மக்கா கரப்பு மேட்டுக்கார வேர்வ தண்ணி சொக்கா மினுக்கு நாட்டுக்கார அகட்டி கருப்பட்டி பூதாங்கோடு மண்ணு சட்டி அதோட கூடு கட்டி ஆரம்பிச்ச நாகரிகம் ஜனக்கு ஜன மக்களே உப்புக்கு சப்பு கொட்டு முட்டைக்குள்ள சட்டு கொட்டு அட்டைக்கு ரத்தம் கொட்டு கிட்டி புல்லு வெட்டி வெட்டு அஞ்சு மரம் வளர்த்து அழகான தோட்டம்
Beautiful
கடலே கரையே வனமே சனமே நிலமே கொலமே இடமே தடமே
என்ஜாமி
Enjoy my video.
வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ
My
அம்பாரி
daily fans.
இந்தா மும்மாரி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ ஒன்னாரி அம்மா ஏ அம்பாரி இந்தா மும்மாரி
பாட்டேன் பூட்டேன் காத்த பூமி ஆட்டம் போட்டு காட்டும் சாமி நாட்டு நந்தா சுத்தி வந்தா சேவ கூவச்சு அது போட்டு வச்ச எச்சொந்தாலே காடா மாறிச்சு நம்ம நாடா மாறிச்சு இந்த வீடா மாறிச்சு
என்ன குறை என் கிளி கரும்புக்கு என்ன குறை என் ஜில்ல பேராண்டிக்கு என்ன குறை பந்தலில பாவக்கா அத கல்லு விட்டு இருக்கு அப்பா நான் தவிட்டதுங்க
This
was
is
super.
unbelievable.
Yes.
Unbelievable, man. This is so
What a song! It was a Hollywood level touch,
what,
right?
what the lyrics are, man.
Yes.
My God, means like this is incredible, man. This is why people kept on asking us,
Yes,
and this is
exactly.
our fault that we have not done the reaction.
some
We
time,
took
right?
some time, but
Yes.
yes, we are very happy. We are honored that we have done the reaction video. This is awesome, awesome,
Awesome,
awesome. Superb to the creator, salute to you.
Right.
And
the
I really
thought,
love
the
the
lyric.
thought behind the song.
Yes.
I really love the whole nature is coming up in the song. I'm just getting goosebumps.
Everything was greenery and
Every
everywhere, right?
single thing, the farmers, the
farmers,
creativators, like the creators,
natural
the
creations of the god, everything.
Yes.
Rains,
the frog,
greenery,
the
fog.
peacock, the
Yes.
elephant, each and every single thing. Like in this song, it is mentioning that if you are living on the earth, you need everyone. You
Yes.
cannot leave like yourself.
Right.
You need everybody's assistance to
Yes.
live a good life.
Yes.
This is
And also
incredible.
with the meaning enjoy and jammy, that means
Enjoy the
Enjoy
whole,
my dear.
Enjoy my dear,
Dear.
with everyone all together.
Yes,
It was
okay.
the meaning actually. I am wondering like who has written this song. This is incredible actually. So the artist is Dhi Fit Arivu. I think two persons.
Yes.
Producer is the Santosh Narayanan. Director is Amit Krishnan, and this is produced by Majja. Okay, so all the teams, the lyrics and everything. I think I will give 100 crore out of 10
Wow.
to the lyricist.
that was a
Whoever has
goosebump
written the lyrics,
right?
because at the very last I couldn't think that within like with the so beautifully executed scene after this whole farmers, the poor
It is
persons, the
covering everything,
grandfather,
everybody,
grandmother,
grandmother,
each and everyone,
mother,
the whole
father.
tradition of India has got lifted up in front of our eyes, and I am so proud actually that we have seen this masterpiece. This is a masterpiece from our side actually.
And the way it executed, the way it started,
Yes.
how was it?
It was brilliant. I thought it is a kind of like rock on kind of a song.
a
I
rock
thought
on
it is a
sound.
swag song. See, we every time we just give our first reaction in front of the camera. We
Yes.
never see any videos, anything off camera and give the fake reaction. We never do that. So we thought with the thumbnail and all, I genuinely thought that it is going to be a swag wala
A rock on kind of
rocking
song, right?
kind of a song like romance and
Yes.
all, which meaningless kind of I thought. But when it got started, suddenly my inner soul got lifted up. I'm like, oh my god, what they're seeing, and I paid so much attention to the lyrics.
Yes.
Because the
How was
lyrics
it?
were
The
so
lyrics
meaningful.
were so beautiful,
Very
and
beautiful.
meaning, right?
Yes.
Exactly. And the way it started, what are the scenic beauty they have covered,
Every
whatever
single
the
thing.
lyrics they are showing, and the background scenic beauty they are showing, that was amazing.
Amazing. Take the shower in the rain, take
Yes.
the breath of the
Right,
wet
the
soil,
elephant.
each and every single thing which people cannot think also.
Yes.
Right, मतलब
Right.
हम अभी ये ज़माने में है ना, we are just IT professional, we are living a life, we don't even think about taking the smell of the wet soil,
Yes.
taking the shower in the rain, ride on the elephant, take a close view of the grass. These small things, like this song is amazing, man, amazing.
Yes.
I am so feeling proud actually.
Undoubtedly. And also
Majja.
the way they were capturing the soil in the hand,
in the hand.
and that was like it was
Incredible.
touching the heart.
Touching the heart.
Seriously.
Yes, touching the heart. Yes,
The
very true.
way it was executed,
Very true.
direction. One thing is direction.
Direction.
was
Camera angle.
Brilliant.
The director actually, Amit Krishnan.
Yes.
Salute to you, because this is the director's
Right, of course,
creativity, right?
director's creativity, how it will cover each and
Each
every
and every
scenic
single,
beauty.
and also one more thing I just want to tell over here, they have taken the पीछे में जो लड़कियां थी ना,
yes.
all were wearing the brown scarves and brown dress, and I really love सारे कलर की लड़कियां थे.
Yes.
Means like white, means fair,
Fair,
brown,
brown,
dark
dark,
complexion. Like this is
everybody.
beautiful, man. Like India is nothing but having all colored person,
Exactly.
and they have lifted
they're-
up this thing.
Yes, they are covering everything.
Every
right?
single thing, because ऐसा टाइप का सॉन्ग में ना पब्लिसिटी के लिए कोई ऐसा करता है कि फॉरेन को लेके आ जाता है,
of
फॉरेनर्स को
course.
लेके,
And
बट
there
दे
are
हैव नॉट
no
डन दैट.
foreign, right?
Yes, there are no
Everybody are
foreigners.
Indian.
Everybody are Indian.
Right.
And I'm getting goosebumps. See, I'm getting
Yes, of course.
goosebumps. I'm just telling these things and I'm getting goosebumps.
See the power of this song and the way it was executed.
feeling very
the
proud.
singer, I don't know why they have not written the singer name here in this song, but yes, who have sang this song.
This
They
one only,
have
na
done-
Dhi.
Okay,
Dhi
okay.
fit Aribu. So
Okay.
maybe Dhi is the girl's name. Aribu, I think he is the rapper.
Okay.
Dhi is the singer. Maybe. Okay.
So, exactly, the song sung by both of them was super.
Superb,
Right.
superb.
And what if the lyric or rhymes you saying cuckoo, cuckoo? It was amazing.
Amazing.
That part was rocking.
Rocking. Like
Yes.
this song will be loved by every single one.
Yes, of
Every single one, from the children to the old aged people to the youngsters, every single one.
Because
I
this
think this
song
will be
has the internal touch to the heart.
Connection.
Also. Connection. You
Internal
can say.
connection.
It
Heart to heart
made,
connection.
It made a great connection with
Great
the people's
connection.
heart, right?
Yes.
And of course, it has covered everything
Yeah.
from child to means older people also.
Yes.
Everybody, middle-aged people, everybody.
It will be loved.
Yes.
So in one word, if you want to describe this song, what it would be about?
Amazing.
For me, it is truly Indian.
Yes.
Indian song.
Right.
अगर आप बोलोगे ना कि कौन सा इंडियन सॉन्ग, दिस इज वन ऑफ द इंडियन सॉन्ग विच आई am in love with. I think I'll be listening to this song repetitive mode.
Right.
Definitely. And thank you so very much whoever have suggested to give the reaction on this iconic song.
Yes,
This
of
is
course.
brilliant. I think कुछ भी इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
Yeah, of course.
Right?
And
This
the
is
production-
amazing.
The song, I think the song production house is not that much big production house. I think so because they doesn't have that much subscriber also, right? So production house is normal only, and they have done a brilliant.
They have done
the
brilliant. They
top
have
level,
set up
top
their
level.
own level now.
Yes.
Yeah. Nowadays we see, that people are getting famous, by uploading very kind of like ordinary videos.
Yes.
Okay, not that much creative, but they are getting famous. Okay,
Right.
because people are loving. We are requesting that please spread this song as much as you can. Already
Yes,
this song is having 20 million
this
views.
is
So
ultimate of
this is
creativity.
ultimate of creativity. People should know
Yes.
about this talent. The
Right.
lyrics, the execution of each and every
Yes.
scenes, the
And
camera
the
angles,
meaning behind the lyrics.
each and everything. This is brilliant.
Yes, I
This
think
is outstanding.
what is
like
the most
beyond.
important or the most beauty thing in this song? What is the? Can
What
you
is
tell?
the
Yes.
the beauty of this song?
Yes.
I told that the beauty of this song is like they have taken all kind of colored people.
Yes.
This is actually the beauty
This
of
is-
people,
this is
because
one of the beauty,
we
right?
all know that in India, if you go to the Kashmir, they are fair. After that, if you go to the middle portion, they are brown skinned like we.
Yes.
Okay. After that, if you go to south portion of India,
Yes.
they are dark
Mixed
and
color.
beautiful skinned people.
Yes.
Yeah. So they have covered. My eyes was stuck because पीछे जो लड़कियां थी ना, the selection of this
the dance
girls was
right.
beautiful. And also the camera angle, वो जो soil को हाथ में लेना,
Yes.
the
Right.
playing with
Those
the
thing-
soils and
those
all.
thing was superb, and I think one of the most thing which I like seriously I like was the lyrics.
The lyrics.
Lyric
That
was
is
amazing,
beyond
any level.
Any level. This
I
is,
think this is one of
we
the
are very small to
best
judge.
song we have heard from
We have
Tamil
heard
Nadu,
from
right?
Tamil Nadu.
And not even Tamil Nadu. If you tell across
India.
the India, this is the one of the best song
best
I can
song.
tell you.
Yes. Not Tamil Nadu, not Telugu, not Bengal, not Mumbai,
Right.
nothing. This is India. And
I think a lot of the
we
song
love it.
and a lot of the best things comes from Tamil Nadu, right?
they are truly very talented, very much actually. We are very small to judge their talent,
Yes.
but still, as we are reactors, we are sitting here
From the
and
reactor-
giving the reaction
reactor's
from the
perspective.
reactor perspective.
Yes.
Very true. So yeah, that is it for today's video. We are amazed.
Yes.
We are amazed like anything.
And off camera we are going to listen this song
Repetitive
again.
mode. Yes, for sure. This is for sure actually. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like our reaction, and if you find that this song is superb, then please subscribe this channel, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.